In this video, I will show you how to check if you have a NotebookLM Plus subscription by navigating through your account settings. I start here on the main NotebookLM dashboard where I can see my featured notebooks and recent projects. To check my subscription status, I move my cursor to the top right and click on the settings gear icon. This opens up a menu with several account options, and I'll go ahead and select Manage Subscription near the bottom. This opens a new tab for Google One, which handles the billing and plan details for my account. I'll click on the Change Membership Plan section to expand it and see my active tier. Right here, I can see that my current plan is Google AI Pro with 2 TB of storage, which confirms I have the premium AI features enabled. As I scroll down the page, I can see various upgrade options if I ever need to increase my storage capacity, including the 5 TB and 10 TB plans. I can even see the Google AI Ultra plan with 30 TB for professional-grade needs. Scrolling down even further reveals the downgrade options, such as the Google AI Plus 200 GB plan and the basic storage tiers. Checking this page is the best way to verify your access level and manage your NotebookLM features. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.